Click the products. We can choose the model we need by refining the classification. AK series is the channel product and the most cost-effective. SK series is a channel product and is currently the most popular. LK is the project product and has the most functions. You can check out our new and promotion products here. You can also filter models based on parameters of interest. For example, I want to choose a 2-megapixel face recognition camera. Here are all the cameras that meet my needs. Other products can also be selected in the same way. Select a product. You can also see the product parameters here. You can download the datasheet here. At the end of the manual, there will be a description of the model of the camera accessories. Information on camera accessories can also be found.